Alright, gonna try some fishing. Procore knife for my dad. Not too shabby. I think we'll try the rooster tail. So tire knot. Put it through the hole and just pull it. There we go. Definitely hitting the bottom there. Woo! Got a stick. Nice. Well, no fish, so we'll just have to try again later. Hey, buddy. Oh. Where'd he go? I brought some salad nuts. Should give him some. Mmm. Delicious. Mmm. What kind of nut was that? Hey, bro, are you camera shy or something? Turn around. Hello. Oh, there you are. I can't tell. Oh, where are you going? Dude, come back. There you are. You're nuts. You're nuts for nuts. Whoa. Hello. So, as you can see, this is my DJI Osmo 3. And this is how I get my time-lapse videos. And just anything cinematic I want to do. I also got it on this tripod that I got from Amazon, which is pretty handy. Yeah. Uh-oh, here comes the rain. Yep. Well, that sucks. I better go make sure camp is all good. Nothing sitting out that don't want to get wet. pretty cool camp spot here. But it is starting to rain, guys. All right. Here's our lovely campground. Nice. There's our tent trailer. Not sure if we're supposed to pay, but it might be free. I don't know. Nobody's come around yet, so maybe they are right now. Let's see. Oh yeah, here we go. And it turns out it was free. So we stayed a couple nights, packed up the tent trailer, and headed up to Woss to check out some cool old trains. Welcome to Woss, ladies and gentlemen. This locomotive was built in the 1920s. This one was called Loki 113 and was used for logging all the way until 1966. After it was retired, it was put on display in the town of Woss. So come check it out. Whoa, check out this train. Sweet. Number 303, Englewood Logging Division. Western Forest Products. Wow, check this out, guys. Damn, this is crazy. Crazy and cool all at the same time. Look at it here, man. This is how you drive a train. Here's the seat. You sit like sideways. I wonder if this is the horn. I think that's for the horn. Obviously no AC, just a bunch of fans. I guess that's the window you look out of. Your neck would get sore. Whoa, this guy got the comfier chair. There's still garbage in here. An old oil, paperwork. Look at these old buckets. Cool, man. Okay, y'all, we found the shoe tree. That is crazy. People must bring a ladder in. Wow.
How did they get the way up there?
Yeah, there's some way up there. Must have brought a ladder. I'm walking on dirty shoes. Nasty. Oh snap. Look what we found. Oh. Aww. They're all gone. Damn. People, you got fans everywhere, Chrome. Wait a sec. Nope. 2 bags that are empty. I'm touching Chrome's shoes, that's so weird. Well, Chrome, we tried to come get some stickers and we failed. Guess I'm gonna donate some my old Nikes to the shoe tree.
Woo! Stinks like shoes up here.